Hey everyone, I'm Andre and welcome to my channel ThinkOFood. Today we're going to make spaghetti with the mussels in a really fast, easy and tasty way, and it's going to be really special because it's going to look like this. So stay tuned because the pots are ready, the mussels are ready and the pasta is already shaken in the glass. Let's go over the ingredients and see what we have and start cook. We have olive oil, we have the spaghetti here, we have salt, pepper and fish stock, a little bit wine to make it much nicer, garlic, chili, parsley, tomato, you can use also cherry tomato or you can use just the Roman tomato like I'm doing, and the lemon for the end, butter and the mussels, nothing more. So all the ingredients and the measurements in the description below, make sure to check that out. And for the equipment we will need the board just to cut the vegetables a little bit. We will need 2 pots, one for the spaghetti and one for the mussels, and a pan to mix everything together in the end. And of course, people to eat this. So come closer and let's see how we're going to cut the vegetables. So we're going to take the garlic that we have. We have about 16 grams here, like 4 cloves, 2 big and 2 small. We want to crush it. We're going to peel them. 1.5 we're going to keep for cooking the mussels, and 1.5 we're going to slice for the pasta itself. For the tomato, we're going to cut it in half. Take this part out, slice them into quarters. Take the seed, leave them here. And keep those because we're going to add them also for the mussels. And cut them into cubes. We'll put them here. Then the chili is going to go broken. Parsley, we're going to take the stems and put them also in the mussels. And the leaves, we're going to chop. Fine. Lemon, cut the edges. And into quarters. Take the seed out, so it's going to be more presentable. Okay, for the pasta, we have hot water here, already boiling. We're going to add nice amount of salt, and we're going to add the pasta. Okay, our spaghetti it's almost cooked and it's already 8 minutes, so I'm going to give it another 1 or 2 minutes. We're going to check it. So what you want to do is to take one pasta and pinch it and look inside if it's already cooked through or you have still a little bit color of the dough. So we have the strainer here already ready and waiting for the pasta. We have here the pot for the mussels that we're going to quickly cook and open them all at once. Then we're going to pick some of them and keep some of them with the shell for decoration on top. So this is also waiting. Now I will strain it. Careful with the steam. And open cold water a little bit. So you take the excess starch from top of the pasta so it's not going to stick. Now when the pot is hot, what we're going to do, we're going to put olive oil and we're going to put tomatoes, garlic and the parsley that we have left. So so nothing going to actually to the garbage so fast. We're going to break the chili and throw inside all the mussels fast with the wine and close it and let it steam for about 1-2 minutes, so all the mussels going to actually open. We're going to shake them. Now we're going to pick the mussels that are open so they won't overcook and shrink in size. Now we're going to let it reduce in half and we're going to add the fish stock. Meantime, we're waiting for the stock and all the juices from the mussels to reduce. We're going to pick some of the mussels out, so we don't going to have in our plate all of those shells, just a little bit for the decoration. So come closer and look what I'm doing. So we want to take the big one that's still attached with the shell. We're going to put some of them here, like this one. This is also nice. Different colors, try to take a little bit more the orange, a little bit from the brighter, and let's take about 7 because I like the number, and everything else we're going to pick, open it and detach the mussels from the shell. So you still have mussels, but you don't have all of those shells. And the liquid that we have here, we're going to add also, so it's going to also reduce. Okay, so our pasta already here in a plate. We have the pan, we're going to turn it on, something like 6 out of 9. And our sauce is ready. We're going to shut it down. We're going to strain it without all the scraps. You can see the color is nice and golden brown. Now what we want to do, we want to make it really fast. So we're going to start with olive oil, then with the garlic, really fast, 2-3 seconds. Tomato, our mussels, wine, sauce, our other mussels, butter, parsley, and the pasta. We're going to toss it 2-3 times and to the plate. And this is how you make really fast, easy and tasty spaghetti with mussels. So now it's only time to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm hoping you really like this video, and if you did, let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because more of those recipes are coming up every week.